morning, dear students. I hope all are fine. You all are staying home and taking care of yourself. As you all know that we have already started with chapter 9, that is forest and wildlife resources. We have seen that into the first and into the second videos we have given you the meaning of the term natural vegetations. Then we have seen what are the types of forests according to administrations. There are 3 types of forest. Then further on we have seen the classification of forest according to ownership, management and administrations. Here also there are 3 types of forest, that is state forest, communal or the community forest, and the last one is the private forest. So we have discussed the difference also, what is the difference between the types of forest and the classification of forest, and it is being divided accordingly. Then we have seen what is the meaning of the term deforestations. Into the next video we have seen deforestations, what is the impact of deforestations and what are the remedies for, that is what are the remedies for the forest conservation. Okay, let us see what is the meaning of the term deforestations. As you all are aware, the meaning of the term deforestation is the cutting down of the trees for the progress of humankind. Somewhere we need to develop for our own development. We are harming the nature, we are harming the environment. We are cutting the trees because we get the raw materials from the forest, but indirectly, if you look it out, somewhere we are doing harming the nature by our own greediness. But if we take care of the nature by afforesting, that is by growing of more of the trees, by taking care of the forest, if we cut down the required species of the trees and if we grow the same species of the trees, then somewhere we do take care of the environment. Then there would be reduction in terms of forest cutting as in terms of the deforestations. We have seen the impact of deforestation. अगर deforestation होता जाएगा तो उसका impact क्या रहेगा? There would be more of the increase in the carbon dioxide, as you well know. Then second says greenhouse effect would be more intensive. Then the wild animals, they will be losing away their homes. We have seen many living organisms lose their abodes. Abodes is the place of residence, and these wild animals in search of food and water, they have to move away from the jungle area to the places where the human beings are living near to the forest area. The carnivorous animals which depend on other animals for food, they will definitely kill the domestic animals and somewhere they will also harm the human habitat. Then remedies for forest conservation. What should we do for the forest conservation? So it says that there should be including of more of the syllabus into the schools as well as into the college level to give more of the information to the young generations, which they will learn more of the forest conservation, how to conserve the forest, what is the importance of forest in our life, what is the importance of environment in our life. If these things are being taught to the children, then definitely they would go for more of the forest conservation. They will take care of the forest as which we do take care of our family. Then we have seen that if the trees are necessary to be cut down, okay, go for the cutting of the trees, but I am saying but we have to cut, if we are cutting some trees for our requirement, then we have to grow that same species of the trees. क्यों? अगर हमें कोई भी प्रकार की ट्रीज हमारी जरूरत के लिए हम कट कर रहे हैं, बट हमें उसी प्रकार की ट्री हमें ग्रो भी करनी है साथ साथ में, ताकि वही प्रकार की ट्रीज कम ना होती जाए, बिकॉज जो भी हम काट रहे हैं सेम टाइम हम लोग साइड में उसको और बढ़ावा कर रहे हैं. Other says there should be more of the programs, awareness programs should be given to the local people. क्यों? Because अगर the local people would be given more of the awareness regarding the forest conservation, तो उनको सही मायने में पता चलेगा कि forest की कितनी importance है हमारी लाइफ में. Then it says like because of the advancement in infrastructure facilities, advancement in the transportation facilities, modernizations. Further it says that the people can easily go to the places for the which are very far away from their home for it's like pilgrimage places, either by the roadways, airways, rails and so far. अगर हम ऐसी जगह पे भी जाते हैं because of the transportation facilities, तो हमें कहीं ना कहीं उस जगह के लिए हमें उस जगह का हमें ध्यान रखना है. कभी कभार हम लोग जाते हैं फॉर that it says परिक्रमा, then it says भंडारा या फिर कोई फेयर है, तो हम ऐसी जगह पे जाते हैं, तो क्या हम उसका ख्याल रखते हैं, उस जगह का ख्याल रखते हैं? That question should always arise in our mind. अगर if we are staying in our home, how do we take care of our home? By cleaning, by mobbing and so on. अगर कोई भी जूते पहन के हमारे घर में आएगा तो हम डेफिनेटली उसको बोलेंगे प्लीज कीप योर शूज आउटसाइड, बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं उसके डर्टी शूज हमारे घर को गंदा करते हैं. तो in the same way, it is our responsibility to take care of the nature, to take care of the environment, take care of the forest. So यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी लाइन they have said. It says, due to the increased means of transportation and easy travel, thousands of pilgrims reach the religious places in forested area to attend the bandara, fairs or parikrama. At that time, the litters should be cleared properly, otherwise the forests are polluted. मतलब हम जो कचरा फेंकते हैं, हम लोग परिक्रमा, मैंने एग्जांपल दिया था कि जूनागढ़ है, दैट इज नियर टू द गिर एरिया. ओके, गिर, तो सौराष्ट्र में जूनागढ़ है, तो कुछ टाइम ऐसा आएगा तो पीपल दे गो फॉर द परिक्रमा, मे बी इनटू द मंथ्स ऑफ somewhat we can call end of the winter season and beginning of the summer season. मतलब उस टाइम विंटर सीजन रहता ही है. तो people they go for the parikrama. Either some people take around 8 days, some take 12 days, and they carry foodstuffs with them. क्यों? Because उनको खाने के लिए जरूरत पड़ेगी. They take drinking water, plastic bottles. फिर क्या होता है? When they are moving, they eat and they throw their things here and there on the roadside. So it says it is the responsibility of the people to not to throw things on the roadside. Either instead of that, take that stuff, throw it into the dustbin. अगर हम foreign countries में जाते हैं, then we know that here people will laugh, they will point on us. तो कहीं ना कहीं हमें शर्म आती है. Then why don't we take care of our own country, that throwing things here and there, instead of here and there, why don't we throw into the dustbin which we are being provided? So this is the way that we need to take care of our own forest. These are the remedies where we can take the care of the forest conservation. Furthermore, we will be looking today at the wildlife diversity. What are the different species? How are the wildlife being diversified? So it says there is a large diversity among insects, animals, birds and vegetations. मतलब एक प्रकार के इंसेक्ट नहीं है, बहुत सारे. There have been wide diversity in among insects. बर्ड्स के अंदर भी आपको देखने को मिलेंगे, एनिमल्स के अंदर भी है, एंड इवन द वेजिटेशंस. उसका रीजन क्या है? ड्यू टू द फिजियोग्राफिकल डाइवर्सिटी इन इंडिया, बिकॉज ऑफ द डिफरेंट क्लाइमेट आल्सो प्लेज द इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, डिफरेंट कंडीशंस आर आल्सो प्लेइंग द इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. देयर आर अबाउट 15 lakh स्पीसीज ऑफ बर्ड्स एंड एनिमल्स इन द वर्ल्ड. तो in the world they are saying there are almost 15 lakhs. हो सकता है उससे ज्यादा भी हो, लेकिन they are giving the roundabout figure that is 15 lakhs species of birds and animals in the world. कई तरह के animals और birds there are in the world. मतलब एक प्रकार के आपको देखने को नहीं मिलेंगे. You will get the different varieties of animals and birds in the world. उसमें से क्या कहते हैं? About 81,251 species are found in India. तो 15 lakh में से अगर हम देखने जाए तो almost 1 lakh, 81,251 species. So if you look it out, so it is nearby to 1 lakh species are found only in India. India holds 12th rank in terms of diversity. तो अगर पूरे विश्व में देखा जाए तो India is in 12th number in terms of diversity. Wildlife of all 3 continents, that is Asia, Europe and Africa. अगर इन तीनों को कंबाइन करें, that is Asia, Europe and Africa are found in India. Just imagine Asia, Europe and Africa. So combination of these 3 wildlife are found in India. Let us see 1 or 2 more points from the textbook. It says there is a large diversity in climate and physiographical in India. There are about 15 lakh species of animals, birds in the world. Out of it, as I said, 81,251 are found in India. Then we will be looking about like which are the animals which are found in India. It says animals like hyena, chinkara, European wolf, wild goats, Kashmiri deer, African elephants, monkeys, etc. are found in India. ये तो कुछ नाम ही लोग ने हमें बताया है. इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे एनिमल्स हैं, बर्ड्स हैं, कई अलग प्रकार की स्पीशीज है जो इंडिया में फाउंड आउट होती है. So they have just given some of the names which can come in our mind, और ये नाम सुन के हमें पता भी चले कि किस हिसाब से एनिमल्स आर फाउंडिंग इन इंडिया. लेट अस सी वंस अगेन. चिंकारा, यूरोपियन वुल्फ, वाइल्ड गोट्स, कश्मीरी डियर, अफ्रीकन एलिफेंट्स, monkeys, etc. are found in India. So these are the animals. They have just given some of the names which are found in India. Let us see some of the from the textbook. The biodiversity of India includes black bear, one-horned rhino, deer, different types of snakes, peacock, then gorud, hawk, kingfisher, flamingo, etc. The snow leopard in Himalayas and the red panda found at the same altitude are distinguished animals here. तो बोल रहे हैं कि जो हिमालयस में जो हमें एनिमल्स देखने को मिलते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल स्नो लेपर्ड एंड द सेकंड वन इज देयर सेड द रेड panda. These are mainly found into the Himalayas. These are the distinct animals which are found in the Himalayas. India is the only country in the world where tiger and lion are seen moving in their natural abodes. Natural abodes matlab nature, that is the place of the residence. So in India, two animals, that is tiger and lion, can easily move with their habitat or with their family. It says during winter, migratory birds from distant places thrown into the watershed areas of Keoladev National Park, Bharatpur, that is in Rajasthan, and Nal Sarovar in Gujarat. See, in the winter time, these animals, they migrate from their original place, from the place where do they belong to, and they come to India because the climate suits them. And if you move towards the Nal Sarovar, that is a bit far from Ahmedabad, around 60-65 kilometers. तो आप अगर winter में वहाँ पे जाओगे तो आपको कई प्रकार के animals देखने को मिलेंगे. Let us see wildlife on extinction. Next topic is wildlife on extinction. It says today danger is there over many wildlife animals about their existence. अगर हम today, if you look it out into the current situation, तो कहीं ना कहीं there is a lot of danger. There is a lot of danger on the wildlife animals about their existence. It is difficult for the wildlife animals to survive in today's time. Cheetah has been extinct from Indian forest. So they have taken one example from Indian forest, that is animal name is cheetah, that is totally been extinct. That is nowadays we are not looking or we are not getting in more numbers of cheetah because they have been killed from the many earlier times, and the time is come that we are having very rare मतलब बहुत कम देखने को मिलता है. Then the existence of lion, tigers, snow leopard, etc. are in danger. Even they have given कि जो लायन है, टाइगर है, स्नो लेपर्ड है, वो भी धीरे धीरे करके कम होते जा रहे हैं. गुजरात का एक बात करें तो इन गुजरात लायन, टाइगर, लेपर्ड एक्सेट्रा आर इन डेंजर. See, that's why the government are coming with more of the steps in counting of the lion, in counting of the tiger, in counting of the leopards. Because if these animals are being harmed or if they have been killed by the local people or from somewhere from other peoples, so that the government can come to know that if these animals are being harmed, and even the strict actions are being taken on the people who are killing the animals or who are harming the animals. Even the government is making the law for not killing the animals. So somewhere the government is woke up in taking care of the animals. So these were the topics which we have covered into the today's sessions. If you have any doubt, whenever we have the live session, we can solve out your doubts into the live sessions. Please read the textbook. I will be sending you the picture also of this of the video also, so you can read it what I have written it. That will be more easier for you into the live session. If you have any doubts, we will be clearing your doubts. Till then, please be safe, take care of yourself, and thank you.